Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8, English version, Math, Measurement Chapter, Exercise 3. Question number 18. Gold is 19.3 times heavier than water. The length of a rectangular gold bar is 7.8 centimeter. There is a gold bar. Let us draw the gold bar. So the length is 7.8 centimeter. 7.8 centimeter. The breadth is 6.4 centimeter, and the height is 2.5 centimeter. What is the weight of the gold bar? Now if we find out from these three information, we can find out the volume. From volume, we can find out the weight. If we know the unit volume weight, then we can find the whole volume. So let's find the volume first. Volume of a rectangular gold bar. Volume of a rectangular gold bar equals to length into breadth into height. 7.8 centimeter, 6.4 centimeter into height, 2.5 centimeter. Now if we put all the centimeter on the right, the unit will be cubic centimeter. 7.8 multiplied by 6.4 multiplied by 2.5, and the unit is cubic centimeter. What is the value? If we simplify, it will be 124.8 cubic centimeter. 124.8 cubic centimeter. Now, do we know the unit volume's weight? We don't know, but we know that the information here is gold is 19.3 times heavier. 19.3 times heavier. We know weight of one cubic centimeter water equals to 1 gram. So from this information that gold is 19.3 times heavier, from question 1 cubic centimeter gold equals to 1 gram multiply by 19.3. Why? Because it is 19.3 times heavier. Write it in the bracket. Gold is 19.3 times heavier. So 1 cubic centimeter gold weighs 1 gram multiplied by 19.3, that equals to 19.3 grams. Therefore, weight of a gold bar equals to volume into 19.3 gram. Volume of gold bar is 124.8. 124.8 multiplied by unit weight, this is 19.3 gram. 19.3 and unit will be gram, equals to, if we simplify, it will be 2408.64 gram. So the answer will be 2408.64 gram. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.